Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. Kids, today I will be teaching you concept of one and many. When I say one, what do I mean by that? We make use of one when we talk about one thing. हम वन को कहाँ पर यूज़ करते हैं? जब हम किसी एक चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वन बुक, वन सोप, वन पेन, वन की, वन chalk, one spoon. So kids, if we have one thing, we will say one to it. Now kids, when do we use of many? We make use of many when we talk about more than one things. जब हम एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते हैं तो हम many का यूज़ करते हैं. For example, see here, it is more than one book, so we will say it books. More than one soap, we will say it soaps. More than one pen, we will say it pens. More than one key, we will say it keys. More than one chalk, we will say it chalks. More than one spoon, we will say it spoons. So when we have things more than one, we use many for it. So kids, let's recall the concept of one and many. One pen, many pens. One chalk, many chalks. One key, many keys. One spoon, many spoons. So kids, this is the concept of one and many. Now let us discuss the same in little detail. So children, do you know what is singular or plural? Have you heard about this? If you have heard about this, then it is fine. If you haven't heard about this, let me explain you. Kids, what is singular? Singular means when a naming word tells about a person, single person, or single animal or single thing, then it is called singular naming word. So we can say singular or one is same. Now, what does plural means? Plural means when a naming word tells us about more than one person, more than one animal, or more than one thing, it is called plural naming word. So kids, plural means more than one. We can say plural and more than one is same. So kids, what is singular? Singular means one. And what is plural? Plural means more than one. Now kids, there are some ways or method to change singular word or singular naming word to plural naming word. Let us see what are the methods or ways to change it. So first way to change singular naming words to plural naming words by adding S. If we add S to the singular naming word, it become plural. Let us see how. By adding S, we can change singular naming words to plural naming words. For example, this book here shows one book and books showing more than one book. Same way, pen, pens, soap, soaps, spoon, spoons, chalk, chalks, key, keys. So kids, by putting this S behind singular naming words, we can change them into plural naming words. Let us discuss more examples. Tree, trees. Bottle, bottles. Marker, markers. Egg, eggs. So this way you can change singular naming words to plural naming words. Now let us discuss the second way or second method to change singular naming words to plural naming words. When singular naming words ends with CH, SH, S, double S, O, X or Z, we will change singular naming word to plural naming word by adding ES to it. जब भी कोई singular naming word CH, SH, S, double S, O, X और Z से एंड होता है तो हम उसके आगे ES लगा देते हैं सिंगुलर नेमिंग वर्ड को प्लूरल नेमिंग वर्ड में चेंज करने के लिए. लेट अस सी सम एग्जाम्पल्स हाउ वी कैन डू इट. नाउ सेकेंड वे इज टू चेंज singular naming words to plural naming words by adding ES. Can you see here? I told you the words which have CH, SH, S, double S, O, X or Z in the end, they will change into plural naming words by adding ES. Watch, watches. Brush, brushes. Bus, buses. Dress, dresses. Tomato, tomatoes. Box, boxes. Similarly, we can change the words which ends with Z like buzz, buzzes, fizz, fizzes. So this way by adding ES we can change some singular naming words to plural naming words. So kids, I hope you all are able to understood the concept of singular or one, plural or many, and you are able to change singular naming words to plural naming words by adding S or ES. So kids, what you have to do now, whatever words you have seen in the video, write them in your notebook and change them singular to plural. Okay kids? Bye.